This is how to fix your earphones not working. Go and head down to your taskbar and right click the speaker icon right here to open up sound settings. First thing that we'll do is troubleshoot to see if anything pops up that might be able to help us. Once you've explored around here and it doesn't seem to be helping too much, that's okay. So on this option, we're going to go ahead and make sure our output device is correct, depending how many things are plugged into your PC or any other places. I'm going to make sure this output, which is your headphones itself, which is the sound itself coming from your computer to your ears. If the output doesn't seem to be working, we're going to go ahead and manage sound devices. So for this instance, the headphones or the earphones that I'm currently using is these. So if I'd like to test it, you would hear a chime kind of like that. Go ahead and head over to app volume and device preferences right here. So let's say I currently have Google Chrome open and I'm playing a video and it's not coming through my earphones. That is why I need to change this one to another output. Right now this is correct because these are my earphones at the moment, but if I had maybe this one right here, I would change to that and then test the video by playing it to see if I'd hear it. If your earphones are still not working, it might be an external issue. What I mean by that, you might have to plug your earphones into a different jack on your laptop or computer. You may have to get an adapter or a professional or a fellow member that you know to look at it to see if there's an external issue going on. That is how to fix your earphones not working.